Blake Gilmore, Chief of the Maintenance Division for Livingston Parish Fire Protection District 4. We have 10 stations, 56 apparatuses, 225 square miles. Pretty much anything from electrical, changing a headlight, to pulling tanks, the water tanks out of trucks to be repaired. It's good. It's totally self-contained. I mean, anything I need is there. As far as pulling the tanks out the truck, the crane, you set it up. Before I was having to call a wrecker, a boom, and then I was having to wait a day or so for them, whenever they had time to come back and set it back in place, for them to come set it. Now I can do it all on my own. So I mean, it's really feasible to have. Most of my work is at the stations. I have been called out on the road, you know. I try keeping the tow bills down to a minimal, you know. I added these. I had a power inverter with a 4-bank charger. Nuts and bolt tray. Just specialty tools there. Oxygen settling. This is just all parts. I had them add that step there to get up to the real hose. The real hoses are up there with the extension cord, oxygen settling on the real hose. And the air hose comes out the back here. I like the drawers, the locking drawers by Maintainer. You slide them out, they lock. Slide them in, they lock. 300 pounds of drawer, 500 pounds of drawer. I mean, I had in the other truck 2 toolboxes stacked on top of each other, and you open 2 or 3 drawers, they want to fall out on you. Yeah. Down here, it does. Keeps the moisture, condensation, everything. Tools don't get damp. No, they don't rust. It's plenty enough space for anything you want to use it for.